Hello, fun seekers.
Today we are standing in front of Bird in Hand Family Restaurant.
Right here in Bird in Hand, Pennsylvania. Y'all come along with us as we go inside and get us some breakfast this morning. As you get ready to walk in, they got it decorated up nice in fall decorations. And this is the dining room area. As you walk in, this is what it looks like. Buffet straight ahead. Cashier area. You can get some freshly baked bread that's baked here in their bakery. Have a nice little gift shop area, so if you have to wait, you can look around, purchase you some stuff to take back home. And back over here, they have like a little bar stools, a little countertop that you can eat at. And this right here is your main dining room area. And your buffet bars are right here. Here is the dining room area at the back. It's a large room. Here is a look at the menu here at the Bird in Hand Family Restaurant. They open from Tuesday through Saturday. Breakfast is served from 7 to 11 a.m. The breakfast smorgasbord is $11.59. And here's a look at the a la carte menu items. But I think we're just going to order from the buffet today. This is what all is on the buffet. We have your toast. Biscuits would be there, the outer biscuits, scrambled eggs, a breakfast casserole, tater tots, home fries, turkey sausage, scrapple, sausage gravy, stewed tomatoes, ham, sausage, bacon, baked French toast, French toast sticks, waffles, pancakes, syrup, cheese sauce, apples. Have more toppings around here. Have cereal, your Rice Krispies, Special K, Frosted Flakes, Corn Flakes. Right here we have your oatmeal, cream of wheat, and then grits over on the other one. And through here we have some kind of sweet items. Got some donuts, cookies, some type of pastry, And then we have fresh fruit, jellos, orange slices, pineapple, cantaloupe, grapefruit, peaches, pears. And then we have little muffins, some danishes, sticky buns, and baked oatmeal with fruit, bananas, apples. And here's a soft serve ice cream machine. And some slush puppy. Okay, I got my first plate. I ended up getting some eggs, bacon, a biscuit, some apples, a piece of ham, and some potatoes.
No, I didn't. I got to talk to Tony. Oh, Sonia talked to you, yeah.
I got some eggs and bacon, some apples, some potatoes, a biscuit, and I thought I'd try the gravy, so I got a little bit of gravy to see if I like it.
And also I want to mention that the beverage does come with the buffet. So I got a Coke and Cindy got herself a hot tea.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and try the fried apples. They're good. They've got all that spice in it that you normally put in the apples. You can definitely taste the cinnamon.
Got me some bacon. I tried it already. The bacon tastes really good. It's not that rubbery kind. This is nice and it's cooked just right. Eggs taste good. These are nice, thinly sliced home fried potatoes. Everything so far has been real good.
How's everything tasting over there, David?
Everything's been real good. This ham is very good.
Is it?
And then, like you said, the apples, you can taste the cinnamon in them. They got a real good taste. I think the apples and the ham have been my favorite so far.
Now, is the ham like a country ham, salty?
I don't taste a lot of salt on it. It tastes more just like a regular baked ham.
All right. I might have to try that out.
Because, I like country ham, but this to me doesn't taste all that salty. Here is a look at the receipt from a breakfast. We had 2 adult breakfast smorgasbords. The total came to $24.57. And like I said earlier, the beverages were included with this price.
Well, we can say we tried the Bird and Hand restaurant for the breakfast buffet now, just like a couple of our subscribers suggested.
Yeah, speaking of the breakfast buffet here at the Bird and Hand Family Restaurant, the buffet, to me, I thought it was just average. But the food wasn't bad at all. It was good food. But, pretty much what you're going to see on any buffet around this area. Speaking about some of the items, my favorites were the ham, I think the apples, and probably the bacon. The bacon on there was not rubbery like you find on some buffets. This was crisp and it was cooked just right for me. The ham had a real nice flavor. And one thing I like to mention, when you ordered the buffet, the beverages came with the buffet. So for the value, it was an excellent price. Me and Cindy both ate breakfast for under $25, and that's pretty good with today's prices. You're probably gonna pay that about anywhere you go. And especially, getting a buffet, I thought that was an excellent price.
Definitely a good price. I thought the food was, like you said, average, but there was plenty of it. And I would definitely recommend it if you're in the area to come by Bird and Hand Restaurant and try out the buffet. I'd come back again, but most likely I'd order from the menu.
Yeah, I would come back again, but like I said, I enjoyed my meal. Not knocking anything negative, but food just average.
And it was a friendly atmosphere. I enjoyed my breakfast.
And our waitress was very nice. Took good care of us. But if you're in this area, stop by and check out Bird and Hand Family Restaurant. I think you'd be satisfied. So go ahead and close this out, Carly.
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell So, Miss Laura's Ghost Video. See you next time. Thanks for watching. God bless.
Thank y'all. Bye-bye.